Okay, so hello everyone. The program is very simple. We have to add two lists. Okay, so the program is already over here. You all can see, I have L1 equal to something, some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and L2 equal to something 7, 8, 9, 10. The aim of this program is to add the elements of the list. Okay, but the length of the both the lists are not same, and we have to start the addition from the left hand side. You all can see length of this is 6 and length of this is 4, and basically what output we want is 1 plus 7, that is 8, 2 plus 8 10, 3 plus 9 12, 4 plus 10 14, and after that if element present in L1, okay, then that element has to be displayed as it is. So first of all, before we start anything, we are just simply printing L1, L2, nothing else. Okay, that means the same list we are printing. And then one space, so I'm writing, sorry, one new line I mean to say. So I'm writing only print blank just for the new line purpose. Now the main part over here is we are calculating one more thing, like length of L1 minus length of L2 and bracket minus 1 we have written. Why? First of all, length of L1 we will come to that point. Length of L1 is 6. Okay, so 6 will come here, then minus sign, and here length of L2 will come as a 4, and then 4 minus 1 it is 3. Why 3 we require? Because index always start from 0. So this is 0, 1, 2 and 3 index number. So we want our for loop also to work only from 0 to 3. So what we are doing over here is uh, we are doing minus of that two things. One is length of L1 minus this, and we are storing our answer in the F length, so that we will get the addition of those places number only, that is 1 and 7, 2 and 8, 3 and 9 and 4 and 10. So we will start the for loop, and I in range it will start from 0. Obviously we know length of L2 is 4, and we know that for loop always like n minus 1. So it will be 0 comma 4 indicates it will go till 3, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and step count is given which is 1. Then we have a if else condition. So if this length of the, okay, what is the answer of this? This is 6 minus 3. Answer of this will be 3. Okay, if 3 is greater than equal to, our length of L1 is 6, 3 greater than equal to 6. Obviously we know we will get the condition false only every time. So it will directly jump to your else part. And in the else part, what we have written is we are modifying our list in L1 only. So L1 of 0, that means at 0 places, this place, what we will get, whatever is there in L1 of 0 plus L2 of 0. So 1 plus 7, 8, and answer will be stored here only at L1. Then again I becomes 1, and then again same process, this will be false because it is 3 minus 1, 2 greater than equal to 6, obviously false. So again it will jump to the else part, and again it will be like now L1 of 1, so this place will be modified with 8 plus 2. Then next time this place will modified with 9 plus 3 12. Then this place will modify with 10 plus 4 14. Now our for loop condition is false. So it will come out of the for loop and it will print whatever modified and remaining thing as it is only. So we will quickly save this program and we will run also. So just I will press F5. So you all can see our original, it is also printing, and 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 8 10, 9 plus 3 12, 4 plus 10 14, and this 5 and 6 it is as it is only. Okay, thank you everyone.